Zoo Network here, and it started raining just about 1 minute ago. Here's Pepper, and here's Milo. Milo, here, kitty, 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 kitty. Meow. 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 We're just in here for shelter. Milo's just looking down at Pepper. Pepper down here. Milo up there. Piper down, Milo up. Piper, Milo. Piper, Milo. Piper, Milo. Piper's just shaking the camera. Okay. There's that kitty. Trying to get that kitty down. Well, the rain's gonna get down. Meow-hoo! Look at this kitty. Milo! Meow! Milo, why are you doing this when I'm petting you? When I'm petting you. No, I'm not gonna touch you, I'm just gonna touch this. Look at her face. Look at this cat's face. This cat. This cat. Hey Milo, want down? Meow! It's about to stop raining. It's about to stop. Milo, I'm not touching you, I'm touching this. That cat's just watching. Now the rain's going back up. Got that on camera. Got that on video. Got this on video. Get it on video again. Okay. Now what are you gonna do, Milo? Are you gonna... Milo's being cute. Milo, what you doing? What you doing, Milo? What's that look for? Milo being cutie. Milo cute. There's that cat looking at the camera. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's gonna get a battle. It's gonna get battle. Yeah, now they're gonna battle. Why not we just lift up Pepper to where to the okay, now let's see. Not see their reaction. Okay, that won't work. So let's just place Pepper down here. Cat. Oh. Milo. Meow. Meow. This cat is getting crazy. Go. Now if we can just get the camera up to a right level. There we go. Every millisecond Milo does that. Okay. Meow. Well, it stopped raining. Well, I'm sure. Let's see. Yeah. It stopped raining. It looks like it's raining when there's a lot of trees around because water can drip off the trees. Now what do we got now? Why is she staring us down? Why is she staring us down? Milo, why are you staring us down? Why are you staring us down? Milo, why are you staring? Milo, why are you staring us? Why are you staring? What's this cat gonna do? Why not I just... Why not I just get a cat toy? Why not I just pick this up and see what she reacts to? And see how she reacts to. Okay. Now we got it. Now we got her down. Now we got Milo down. Okay, now oh my gosh. Okay, let's say that again. Let's say that again. Let's do that again. Pepper, I want you to sneak up on her. Hey, why don't we just move her to another place? Oh, she already moved. Huh? Okay. Let's get in. Oh! Pepper, you went the wrong way. Let's go in.
You gotta follow the lead of the dog. You can't leave lead the dog. You gotta follow the lead of a dog when you're running.
Oh. Okay, Pepper, let's take the leash off of you. And let's post this to YouTube.